Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how my husband Alex took this IBC tote cage and turned it into a hay feeder for our goats. Alex found these tote cages on Facebook Marketplace. He bought a handful of them to store his firewood in, but this one he did turn into a hay feeder for our goats. The first thing he had to do was cut the corners off using his Sawzall. Once the corners were cut out, he came back with his grinder to go ahead and clean up all the rough edges. Now here you'll see him bending the sides in. He's eventually going to be using those zip ties to connect the two sides together to form a V. He did decide to keep the bottom row attached. He did this for stability, and if you know anything about goats, you know that they are very destructive, so a little extra stability is always a good idea when it comes to them. So far, we're really happy with the feeder, and the goats seem to be as well. It's definitely a big upgrade from that small little milk crate you'll see on the side of their little house. The other really nice thing about this is there is that bottom section that catches all the wasted hay. Every morning I scoop up what they've dropped down and I put it back to the top. So already it has saved us a lot of wasted hay. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!